Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine and safe. So thank you friends. वन लाइनर सीरीज़ को बहुत पसंद किया जा रहा है, तो उसी सीरीज़ में आज ये पार्ट 4 है एंटोमोलॉजी वन लाइनर्स का. ये लास्ट पार्ट है. सो हियर वी गो. द फर्स्ट one liner is the pest which has a status of international pest is desert locust, which is the scientific name is given in the bracket for you. Then second is the recently method of control of bollworm is Bt transgenic plants. Okay, the method for the control of the bollworm insect is the Bt, that is Bt transgenic plants. Okay, number of eggs per second lay by termite, it is 1 egg per second. The insects are pykilothermic, that is, this IE is, friends, it is mistaken, it is I dot E dot, means the notation for that is, if we want to write that is in a short way, we can write it as I dot E dot. So that is, they have no precise mechanism for regulating the body temperature, so also called cold-blooded organisms. So the cold-blooded organisms are also called as pykilothermic. The total heat required for the completion of physiological processes in the life history of a species is considered as a constant, a thermal constant. Okay, so the total heat required for the completion of the physiological process in the life history of a species is considered as constant, which is a thermal constant. And this one liner as an objective, as an MCQ, has been came in the agriculture research scientist ARS examination. Okay, then control of weeds. Okay, students, it is not woods, it is WEEDS, weeds. It is, I will make here the correction, it is weeds. Okay, so the control of weeds by the biological agent known as parabiological control, this came in IARI PhD. Okay, then IIBC, International Institute of Biological Control in West Indies, in 1927. NCIPM, National Center of Integrated Pest Management, New Delhi, 1988. Project Directorate of Biological Control, Bangalore, established in 1993. National Bureau of Agricultural Important Insects in 2009. Okay, and renamed, it is renamed as National Bureau of Agricultural Important Insects. Then the 10 BC International Organization for Biological Control, Zurich, Switzerland. Cryptobiosis, a phenomena. Okay, cryptobiosis, a phenomena when insects become quiescent due to adverse climatic conditions and show no visible sign of metabolic activity. Limnatic zone, the open water zone to the depth of effective light penetration, is called as limnatic zone. Was moth the Galleria melonilla? Wait a second, friends, I have to correct this one. This is wait a second, I have to check it. Okay, it is not WAS, it is Wax, WAX, Wax moth Galleria melonilla. It is the most serious. Okay, the first time this mistake has happened, the typing mistake. The most serious pest of apiculture, it came in the ZRF paper. Then cubicula is in hind legs of the worker honeybees, is a pollen collecting structure which is found on the tibia, which is known as the cucurbicula or the pollen basket. Okay, so here are the one liners for the part 4, which is the last part for the entomology one liners. Okay, so here this NCIPM, which is the National Center of Integrated Pest Management, New Delhi, 1988, and this PDBC and IIBC, okay, the International Institute of the Biological Control in West Indies, 1927. So this all are important one. So okay, so stay tuned, wait for the next video. Thank you.